Previously we have seen how heat, light, and electricity can cause a chemical reaction. In this video, we will learn how a chemical reaction can produce heat, electricity, light, sound and pressure. Let's see how heat can be produced from a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction takes place when two reactants react with each other to produce some products. Some chemical reactions produce heat as a product. Such reactions are called exothermic reactions. Burning something results in production of heat and it is a chemical reaction, so it is an exothermic reaction. If we mix calcium carbonate with water, heat is produced. This is also an exothermic reaction. Production of light from chemical reaction. Whenever we burn something, light is produced. Burning is like performing a chemical reaction. Production of electricity. You must have seen electric cells and batteries. These cells rely on chemical reaction to produce electric current. Production of gas, pressure, and sound. Photosynthesis is a chemical reaction where oxygen gas is produced. When we mix calcium carbonate and water, carbon dioxide is produced. So it is clear that some chemical reactions produce gases as products. Now let's see how these gases can be used in exerting pressure and producing sound. When a balloon is filled with air, it swells up because gas inside the balloon applies pressure force on its wall. Similarly, gases produced from a chemical reaction can be used in exerting pressure on a surface. When a lot of gas is filled in a balloon, after a certain level, it bursts and produces sound. This happens because of sudden release of gas from a very small opening. In a flute also, sound is produced by blowing air through small holes. It can be inferred that if we let gas or air out from a small opening, sound can be produced. Similar principle is used when chemical reaction produces sound. Gases produced from reaction can be compressed and released suddenly to produce sound. Crackers and explosives make sound based on chemical reaction.